ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಕಾವೇರಿ ಆರತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ದಿನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ನೀರನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದವು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ and save water. More than 5 lakhs and our people have participated in 1 week, taking a pledge. That was the Guinness record, and they have observed it, and we got an award, and they handed over the certificate to us. So I congratulate all the staff members of all the BWSSB and the people who participated and taken the pledge on save water and save the conservation. ಸೊ ಆ ವಿಚಾರವಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ an open tender for all the business activities. So they had requested about even our Nandini did not participate in that. We are very happy to give to Nandini. We have informed them also. We are ready to give 8 to 10 places where they want. But already in some 2 places, Amul has been there. We'll give for 2 places we have already given. I don't want to disturb on that issue, because it is a place where both central government and state government, we both are stakeholders in the project. I don't want to intervene with that. It is a business venture. When people travel, all section of the society travel, but it is my bound duty. But KMF also has to come forward to do business. Now we have instructed them. Nandini will be in my metro.
Sir, Karnataka IT Minister Priyank Karve has been insulted. He is not being allowed to travel to US because no clearance has been given by the MHS. How do you see this issue?
See, earlier also, MHS, what they go, even when I was a power minister earlier also, in many times they did not give our external affairs department did not clear me. Recently also I was supposed to go outside for some conference last year. For me also did not clear. That is the attitude of our central government. In the same program they allowed the BJP minister to participate. Some program connected to Bangalore City Corporation, the mayor and the ministers. So they cleared them and they did not clear us. But it is their political agenda. I don't want to comment on that. Anyway, people coming to Bangalore, people coming to do business in Bangalore all over the world, no one can stop. You see, I think in the Global Investors Meet, what Rajnath Singh and Piyush Goyal said. They also said that the Bangalore is so much important in the country, and the world is looking India through Bangalore. This is what even Vajpayee also said when he came for the laying foundation of our Bangalore International Airport. So I think the Delhi government also will think over it.
Sir, how do you react on the notice given to DK Suresh with respect to the ED?
What is there? There is some statement. Naturally, we have no involved. Suresh has no involved. Nothing. We are there. He is ready to cooperate. Go and answer to that. Let us see. Let them do whatever they want.
Sir, Karnataka government is trying to increase the shift hours from 9 to 10 hours for various sectors, including IT and various other sectors.
I don't want to comment on this right now. At the proper time, there is regulations. There is some discussion going on. My Labour Department, and we will discuss on it. And
so some leaders within your party are questioning why the caste census was called. Some leaders within your party are questioning High Command.
Who said?
Yatindra Siddaramaiah in Mysore.
They doesn't know the why. What we have redoing the survey because there was a voice from various sections of the society that they could not participate in that. Congress party commitment is there for the social justice and giving strength to all sections of the society. So we took up a decision that we will give 3 more months an opportunity and give them even on online. Some of the people may be working in Mumbai, some will be working in Goa, some will be working others. So we want everyone to say, for scheduled caste right and left, you might have seen from last 2 months we are spending about 100 crores for only the scheduled caste people to have their rights. So like that, Congress party, we want to give strength to every section of the society, let their voice be heard. Looking at us, the Delhi government also is already thinking of for a new census. So Congress agenda is being liked by all of them.
Sir, final clarification, will Amul be restricted to just 2 outlets? Sir, no?